This is not just a motivational video, it's a wake-up call for your life. Today, you are about to learn 5 lessons to build a strong and powerful mind, and this video is also helps you to learn English. 5 lessons to build a strong and powerful mind. Your mind is your first enemy and your first weapon. Your brain's default programming is to keep you in a state of comfort and safety, which often leads to an average life. When you try something new, your mind creates imaginary dangers and negative thoughts like, "You can't do this," to stop you. The mistake is believing this noise. If you believe it, you become trapped in the jail your mind creates, unable to take action. The solution is to question your negative thoughts. Instead of accepting doubt, ask positive questions like, "But what if I do it and succeed?" By challenging these thoughts and taking real-life action, you transform your mind from an enemy into a powerful weapon. Let them underestimate you. During your journey, many people will lack faith in you and may even mock or underestimate your potential. Instead of being crushed emotionally, use this underestimation as your motivation. Avoid seeking external validation like posting on social media. Instead, work silently when others ignore you, as this environment free from pressure, comparison, and expectation is perfect for absolute growth. Accumulate silent wins, and when those who underestimated you see your results later, your success will provide the answer without you having to say anything. Discomfort is the training for your mind. Your mind will create escape routes like, "I'm tired," or "I'll start next month," to keep you in your comfort zone. Comfort builds nothing, but discomfort builds everything you need. Just as your muscles need resistance to grow stronger at the gym, your mental strength requires discomfort to build discipline and resilience. Practice small discomforts daily, such as waking up or going to sleep 15 minutes earlier, or walking at least 5,000 steps if you don't normally exercise. No one is coming to save you. The harsh truth is that no one will come to save you, fix your problems, or build your dream life. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, perfect mood, or perfect support to start, because if you keep waiting for perfection, you will never start. You must face your own pain, stress, and struggles. The moment you realize that your life is your responsibility and that you must do everything yourself, you will start to become powerful. Stop negotiating with your mind. Success requires consistent work, not just temporary motivation. Your mind will try to negotiate your consistency. For example, skip one day, it won't matter. If you want to be a champion, you must never negotiate with your mind. Once a decision is made, you must follow through every single day. World-class athletes complete their daily routines with discipline, regardless of how lazy, tired, or unappreciated they feel. The people who succeed are those who keep the promises they make to themselves. By consistently honoring your strong decisions and promises without negotiating with your lazy mind, you will change your entire life. If you like this motivation and you want more motivational talk like this, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.